What's up guys? So Christmas came very early for us today, courtesy of Shell and Ferrari according to this invite, which I will elaborate later. So someone from Shell was nice enough to drop this off at our office earlier today, and we've literally not opened it, not touched it, and we've been just holding back to do this unboxing video. And I really can't wait to show you what's inside. Like, it's quite heavy, and just based on this invitation card, it all seems very exciting. So I'm gonna cut to the chase and just check out what's inside here. Really appreciate this nice little touch here. Now, like I said earlier, we really have no idea what's inside. Whoa, this is actually quite huge. I'm gonna put this aside. Voila! Damn! Okay. Right, like I said earlier, I wasn't lying, man. You know, it was killing us for the last few hours just looking at this box, wondering what's inside. Like, even the bubble wrap, man, is still intact. So, I'm just gonna dig right in. This is quite a lot of effort, Shell. Alright. Okay, let's put this rubbish aside. Check this out, man. Okay, there's even a switch. Like a proper switch. I thought this was just a box. What's gonna happen when I press the switch? I guess I should just carry on with it. It's off. Alright. There seems to be some kind of contraption here. Gonna switch it on right now. Nothing happened. What's going on? What did I not do? Alright! Okay, I see what's going on. Okay, so I think we're supposed to just... Whoa, okay. It's very delicate, I mean. Oh, what? Something wrong? Are they missing something? Right, okay. So, how should I show you this? Okay. Sorry man, not the most mechanically inclined person. Check this out. How cool is this? So I guess the Ferrari collection is back in collaboration with Shell. You know all those Ferraris that we used to go crazy over, buying at Shell, queuing up, purposely pumping petrol just to get this collection? So, as you can see, there are 8 slots. There will be 8 models available throughout this campaign, where 2 models will be revealed every 2 weeks. You can either buy it at the roadshow that will be happening next weekend from Friday onwards till Sunday, where you will have to buy petrol vouchers at the roadshow in exchange for the opportunity to buy this. Either that, or you pump 30 ringgit, minimum of 30 ringgit of petrol in a single receipt, and then you can buy the cars for, I think, 15 bucks each. So, there are 8 models available. Let's see, what are the models here? It's quite weird, don't you think? Revealing all 8 models for us, but it's only 2 cars in this trailer. I feel like, you know. But it's right, so let's go through the list of cars. There's a Ferrari 488 Spider, there's a 365 GTB, there's a legendary 250 Testarossa, 430 Scuderia. I think that's quite a common model. A lot of y'all probably got that before. There is the new SF71H, the Ferrari F50 288 GTO, and possibly the most expensive Ferrari of all, the 250 GTO. That's a very cool way of announcing it, by the way, Shell/Ferrari. Really appreciate it, man. Although quite curious as to why the rest of the die-cast models weren't actually provided in this, but hey man, we're not gonna complain. It's a really personal touch, by the way. Check this out, man. I just noticed this. The trailer even comes with our own AutoBuzz number plate. That's really cool. Thanks so much, Shell. So, like I said earlier, I was gonna elaborate on this. I don't think there's much to share. It's just an invitation to the roadshow, which will be happening in Sunway Pyramid. Right, the invitation says Thursday, 11th of July, but that's probably for us media. As for you average people, you probably can go check it out from Friday onwards to Sunday. Again, in Sunway Pyramid at the Orange Concourse area. Right, so as I'm not sure if you guys know by now, GCMA is actually a very big fan of Ferraris. It's actually a good thing that he's not in the office now, so if you'd excuse me, I'm going to make a run for it. See ya.